Welcome students. Today's topics is introduction to networking and internet. Let us see what is networking. Computer networking. Computer networking is a group of interconnected computers using shared communication link for sharing resources and services. Now you see, when a group of computer means it may be two computers, it may be five computers, it may be 100 computers. When they are connected, they are interconnected through communication link for sharing resources and services. Then this is called computer network. Now, what are the services? What are the resources it shares? Okay. Shared resources can be data, printer, modem, database, or service like websites or an email system. See, when data is stored on machine, it can be shared by other people. When you have a 10 computers and one printer, the printer can be shared network, modem can be shared, database can be shared, and services like websites or an email can be shared. Okay, these are the services available which you can share on network. These are the resources can be shared in a computer network. All these are connected through a path called transmission media. When computers are connected, like how they are connected, maybe physical wire is there, copper wire or optical fiber, or it may connect through wireless also. The transmission medium. The communication rules followed by all the devices are data transmission is called protocols. The communication rules followed by all the devices for data transmission is called protocols. You see, when you communicate with one computer with another computer, they have a set of rules. When one computer is communicating with another computer on wireless media, there is a set of rules are there. When they are communicating through copper wire, there is a set of rules are there. That set of rules is called protocols. Network computing has basic three models: centralized, distributed, and collaborating computing. In this model, let's see what are these models. This is a fast model and old model. This is called centralized computing. All processing takes place in a central mainframe computer. ये mainframe computer है यहाँ पे पूरा computing होता है. 100% computing is done here. बाकी जो terminals है जो लगा दिखता है, if they don't have computing power, they are dumb terminal. They cannot process anything. Okay. So these are the dumb terminal. It cannot process anything. It's simply used for a IO device as a IO devices. It gives the only input. Data entry कर सकता, बाकी कुछ नहीं कर सकता. Processing is done here only. Terminals are connected to central computer and work as a IO devices. Mainframe computer during 1970-80 was in large size and are required a huge space to place mainframe computer. ये कंप्यूटर जो पहले था अभी तो नहीं है. I don't think it is when computers are available in our country or even outside also. This is to take a large area. It is doing 100% computing, but it is physically it was बड़ा था. I have seen the mainframe computer working. It looks like just like 4 to 5 quadrants almirah. quadrants का जो almirah है ना, उस साइज का तीन साइज almirah मिला के एक mainframe computer बनता था. So it was to take a huge area to keep it. बड़ा रूम रखता था उसको रखने के लिए. It's a centralized computing. Now distributed computing. In distributed computing with the client server concept आ गया. यहाँ पे क्या होता है? All the computer they are not dumb terminals. They are not dumb. They are intelligent terminals. Then there may be PC connected here. So what is happening here? 30% of the job processing is done here, and 70% are in the main server. So इसी पहले इधर 0 था, यहाँ 100 था, अभी 30 हो गया, 70 हो गया. This type of environment is a distributing computer environment. Multiple computers capable of processing independently. They process independently. Task completion by the local computers or other computers on the network. With development of PC, the distributed computing has emerged. PC आने के बाद ही ये concept भी आया. So maximum job is done on PC, and for server, for some job it goes there on the server. And each terminal has their own computing capability. पहले जो डम सेंट्रलाइज कंप्यूटिंग एनवायरनमेंट में जो डम टर्मिनल था, अभी ये नहीं है, इसका कुछ अपना सीपीयू है, अब अपना कंप्यूटिंग पावर है इसका, इस क्लाइंट का और पीसी का. Now next comes collaborating computing. Multiple computers cooperate to perform a task. जैसे एक काम है, वो काम मल्टीपल कंप्यूटर, दो चार कंप्यूटर मिलकर काम करते हैं एक टास्क के लिए. Multiple computers cooperate in a perform a task. That is a collaborative computing. It is like a distributed computing environment to share processing power in addition to data, resources and services. इसमें क्या होता है? डाटा तो शेयर होते ही है, resources like another resources शेयर होता है, सर्विसेज शेयर होता है, बट उसको जो प्रोसेसिंग पावर है वो भी शेयर होता है. ऐसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल सोशल मीडिया में आप देखेंगे एक काम लेके 5-6 आदमी काम करते हैं अलग अलग जगह बैठ के. It is possible. But processing power is shared in distributed computing environment. It is collaborative computing. Okay. Three types of computing environment आपने देखा: centralized computing, distributed computing, and collaborative computing. Now let's see now networking configuration. What is the networking configuration? See, client server networking. What is the client server networking? Consists of user PC as client and high performance system that gives services to client or servers. यहाँ पे सर्वर एक जगह में रहता है, clients is the or clients or PCs are on different place. So this type of environment is client server. Some job is done by client, some jobs are done by server. For example, file servers, mail servers, application servers, window entry servers. These are the servers. यहाँ पे क्या होता है, जैसे application server. Application server कहाँ रहेगा? It is processing initial some job will be done by client itself, PC itself. Some job will be done by the servers. So the servers will give services. So they are called servers. Mail servers. When you're sending a mail, you're writing the mail on your PC. Okay. But mail server, major job है, that is done by the mail server. It receives your mail, process and send to the destination. That is a mail server. So यहाँ पे client आप है, आप mail बना रहे हो. Mail server is the server which is giving mailing services to transmit your mails to the destination. Is a networking computation client server networking. These are the peer-to-peer networking. यहाँ पे कोई server नहीं रहता. All our machines are server, all are client. That is called peer-to-peer networking. A group of PCs that cooperates as equal. All are equal powerful है. यहाँ पे कोई server नहीं है, कोई client नहीं है. Each PC called peer. No centralized dedicated server exists. कोई centralized server नहीं रहता. Each PC can be client or a server. For example, Windows for workgroup, Windows NT workstations. The example of peer-to-peer networking. A group of people sit एक जगह बैठ के काम कर रहे हैं. 10 कंप्यूटर कनेक्ट है, वहाँ सर्वर नहीं है. Okay, they are called work group. That's called work group. So this is an example of peer-to-peer networking. Now networking network to category है local area network and wide area network. What is a local area network? Let's see first. A group of PCs that are connected through communication devices within a geographically limited area, such as building or campus, for resource sharing. एक छोटा जगह में जैसे कॉलेज में, कॉलेज इज ए लिमिटेड एरिया, इतनी जियोग्राफिकल लिमिटेड एरिया, लिमिटेड एरिया, वहां पे आप अपने लैन बना लिया, First floor, second floor, third floor, and each floor you have connected some more computers. This is a this is called LAN, local area network. Locally, network is local. So how it is done? Data transfer is very fast here in a LAN. Connectivity and resources are managed by locally by company. यहाँ पे यह बाहर का किसी का हमने नेटवर्किंग का हेल्प नहीं लिया, अपना खुद खुद का नेटवर्किंग केबलिंग नेटवर्किंग केबलिंग है. So it is managed by managed locally. The data because it is wired, it is mostly it is wired only. So it is that is it's called data transfer is very fast in a LAN. So geographically limited network is geographically limited area network is local area network. Next is wide area network. One the wide area network connects multiple LANs. One can be located entirely within the state or a company or a country. So country wise जो network रहता है और state wise जो network है that is called wide area network. Because this is not geographically limited in a limited area. In a vast area it is network is there. So that is a wide area network. They exist in unlimited geographical area. Data transfer is slower in one. Connectivity and resources are managed by third party like telephone or cable company. यहाँ पे क्या होता है इसी if the computers are connected all over the country, then you cannot manage that networking. You have to depend on cable company or some telephone company for networking purpose. They will use their services. That is what I mentioned. Connectivity and resources are managed by third party like telephone company or cable company. Okay. For example, you see, you have seen this railway reservation system. They have a separate network. They call it RailNet. RailNet. They do their all network reservation system and that freight operation system, FOIS system. They are used by their own network. It is a wide area network. This is example of area network. Maybe this is one LAN, this is another LAN, this is another LAN. All LAN are connected to wide area network. These all are connected. This is locally processing here, but suppose you are sitting in Calcutta, somebody is in Delhi. One communication can take place. It's called wide area networks. Now, what are the uses of network applications? फर्स्ट यूज तो आपको पता है ईमेल. आपको सब लोग यूज कर रहे हो ईमेल आजकल. Stands for electronic mail. Purpose is high speed mailing service within a local group or corporation worldwide through internet. Okay. So internet is a wide area network. Now, email services is one of the major services today on internet. Next is the voicemail. You see, you use voicemail in WhatsApp also. If somebody is not there at the end, he put your voice. What it does, it actually digitally आपका मैसेज जो है रिकॉर्ड होता है. It goes to the telephone line और वायरलेस कनेक्टिविटी है तो वायरलेस में जाएगा. It gets stored in the mailbox, voice mailbox में जाएगा इसका स्टेशन में. और वो जब आएगा जब खुलेगा तब he will listen that message. This is the voicemail. It is digitally recorded message. The system connects computer to telephone network for moving voicemail message from phone to LAN and distribute to the client. Voice is stored digitally in a mailbox of the owner. Okay, so this is a voicemail. This is the text mail. This is the voicemail. In both places, we are using network, internet wide area network. We are using. Then comes FTP. This file transfer protocol. This protocol is used for transferring files from one system to another system over internet. FTP allows user to log in to remote server and inspect directories, manipulate and execute command on a host. mostly used for uploading files on web server. You see, if you have a on your computer in your LAN, okay, and then maybe your friend PC is allowed you to transfer file, then you can transfer a file from your PC to his machine. So if he does not allow you, you cannot send your file to his machine. In a LAN environment, suppose in a wide area network one environment, यहाँ पे wide area network है, आपका सर्वर somewhere in जर्मनी में है, आप इंडिया में बैठे हो, आप फाइल कैसे भेजोगे उनको? आइदर यू सेंड टू मेल, तो ये तो मेल बॉक्स में जाएगा, बट यू हैव टू सेंड टू द सर्वर इटसेल्फ, इसलिए एफटीपी है. एफटीपी is for sending file, transferring file from your system to the server on Germany. It is done by FTP. The FTP उसके लिए आपको permission दिया जाएगा. You should have a login credentials, you should have user ID, you should have your password. By that only you can access remote server over internet. You can see the directory there. You can execute command there. Suppose you want to delete some file, the server in Germany, you can delete it through FTP. For example, suppose you design your website, you have to upload some files. How will you upload it? Upload through FTP. Next is www. It is World Wide Web. Okay, it is a vast interconnect library of information. Web consists of several web pages formatted in HTML, hypertext markup language. Hypertext markup language is about HTML. Web pages are connected through hyperlinks. We can develop our personal web pages and store in a web server. Once web pages are published, it can be accessed by internet tool called web browsers like Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Firefox browsers. What happens when you websites are developed? They they're called web pages. These all web pages are nothing but HTML page. HTML is hypertext markup language. जब web page बनने create किया जाता है HTML से create किया जाता है. So this is a collection of information. I mean, huge web pages. They're called web pages. Each pages are connected through hyperlinks. If you put web pages, if you somewhere you put your mouse, you see that the like हाथ का symbol आ जाता है, hand symbol comes. This is hyperlink. Hyperlink. By clicking that, you can go to that page. So the pages are connected through hyperlinks. And your web pages जो हम देखते हैं, how you see? For that, we need some software that has to be on your local machine. That is called browser. So यहाँ पे भी देखो क्लाइंट सर्वर कंसेप्ट है. क्लाइंट में मतलब आप क्लाइंट हो, आपके पास ब्राउजर है. इट में भी इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर, इट में भी गूगल क्रोम. Okay, that is your server client software, and server is somewhere जहाँ पे सर्वर फिजिकली है वहाँ पे है. That is they are called web servers. जहाँ पे web pages stored है. And all these things are sites are initiated with www. All websites starts with www. Means World Wide Web. Then dot, then something else is written. Then comes e-commerce. It stands for electronic commerce. In e-commerce, it is possible to do trading or buy an item by sitting at home. You can order an item on internet. E-commerce is commerce over internet. You can also sell an item over internet. You can purchase, you can sell. Financial transaction can also be completed through e-commerce website. B2B, B2B means business to business, and B2C are the category of e-commerce sites. Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra are the examples. Okay, this is B2B and B2C. This is and. So business to business or business to customer, these are the category of e-commerce sites. So this is e-commerce is very common nowadays. I think all of us use Amazon websites for purchasing something. Or we order something, all type of trading we do on the website, Amazon website. That is, this is this type of activities on internet, on networking. There is a huge networking worldwide networking. That is e-commerce. Now, this is now BBS user group, bulletin board service group. It enables several network users to communicate and to cooperate when solving a problem through shared document management. Interactive conferencing, screen sharing, bulletin board are examples of group and application. You see, suppose a group of people working on some project, so they develop their own service group बना के they communicate among themselves for solving a problem. They collectively share the documents or over bulletin board. That is not accessible by other people. This will be accessible by the only by the group. So this type of concept is called it is called BBS user group, bulletin board service group. Okay, this is the basic applications of networking. Okay, fine. So this is a very introduction, a small introduction to the networking and internet. If you have any doubt, you can always mail me. Be in touch with me. I can explain you further. Now this ends our uh, this networking chapter. I think this ends your paper one of your computer science subject. Okay. Thank you very much. Take care.
Welcome, students. Today we'll start our paper 2. Paper 2 has 4 chapters. Mostly these chapters are related to computer hardware. Uh, we'll we will take up first today logic gates and sequential circuits of paper 2. Okay. Now, what is this logic gates? Logic gate is a digital circuit with one or more inputs signals and only one output. This is a logical circuit जहाँ पे more than one और one input दिया जाता है, एक output मिलता है. The input and output signals are either low or high, either 0 or 1. You see, we have studied binary number, binary arithmetic. जो हमने सीखा है in first chapter, that knowledge will be required to understand these logic gates, because there is called truth table. वहाँ पे ये binary concepts will be required. The input and output signals are either low or high voltage. High voltage है तो 1, low voltage है तो 0. Logic gate circuit or logic circuit are analyzed with Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra means that plus minus subtraction, addition, division of Boolean binary number. Subtraction, addition, multiplication and division. जो arithmetics है on binary number, that is Boolean algebra. Now, what are the basic gates? Now, basic logic gates are AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. गेट मीन्स हिंदी में जो बोलते हैं ना दरोजा, ऐसा ही है. इट अलाउज, समटाइम इट अलाउज सिग्नल, समटाइम्स इट डजंट अलाउ. So this is the basic the building block of a digital circuit are the gates, and there are basic logic gates are AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. Now how it looks. Okay, this is the first gate, AND gate. AND means basically nothing but some sort of multiplication. What you do multiplication, that is AND. AND गेट को सिंबल जो है ऐसे रहता है, जैसे हम डी लिखते हैं ना, डी जैसे ही है, डी का दो इनपुट रहता है, एक ए है एक बी है, आउटपुट इज वाई सिंबल मिले ए इंटू बी, इज इंटू बी डॉट बी, दैट इज नथिंग बट मल्टीप्लिकेशन, समथिंग लाइक मल्टीप्लिकेशन. So you see A and B output is high only if both the inputs are high. देखो ये जो टेबल है ना, दिस इज ट्रूथ टेबल. ये टेबल बोलता है, इसको बोलते हैं ट्रूथ टेबल. ट्रूथ टेबल. इनपुट कितना है? दो इनपुट है ए एंड बी. इसके वैल्यू क्या हो सकता? दो हो सकता, इधर 0 or 1. Either voltage is low or voltage is high. Similarly B also like that. तो कितना possible value हो सकता? There are two options, 0 and 1, and there are two items, so 2 to the power 2. There are 4 options हो सकता. What are the 4 options? So what are the 4 options? First is 0 0, then is 0 1, then is 1 0 and 1 1. ये 4 पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशंस है ए बी इनपुट में. तो उसका आउटपुट क्या रहेगा? ए एंड बी आर द इनपुट्स इन द ट्रूथ टेबल, वाई इज द आउटपुट. रिजल्ट इज शोन एज ए इक्वल टू वाई इंटू बी, ए इंटू बी, एंड ऑपरेशन इज सिमिलर टू द मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑपरेशन. दिस इज समथिंग लाइक मल्टीप्लिकेशन. So 0 into 0 means 0, 0 1 0, 0 1, I mean 1 0 is 0, 1 1 is 1. This is the output. तो ये जो गेट है AND गेट, इसका दो इनपुट है, ऑल पॉसिबल इनपुट्स आर हेयर. आउटपुट भी, आउटपुट क्या क्या हो सकता? 3 टाइम्स इट कम्स 0, 1 टाइम ओनली 1. दैट मीन्स कब 1 होता है? जब बोथ आर 1, बोथ आर हाई वोल्टेज, both are giving input 1, then output is 1, output is also high. Or any other case, the output is low, that means 0. Okay, I think this is the first logic gate, AND gate. This is the symbol, this is the truth table. You have to understand through truth table. It's a very interesting subject. What is the next gate? Is OR gate. OR gate का सिंबल ऐसे रहता है, डी जैसे है, थोड़ा सा डिफॉर्म हो गया. ओके, नाउ और द पॉसिबल इनपुट्स एंड आउटपुट्स. दीज आर द पॉसिबल इनपुट्स आउटपुट्स. अपना एंड गेट में जो था पॉसिबिलिटी, सेम थिंग्स हेयर आल्सो. ओनली हेयर इज result is something like addition. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 1 is 1, 1 0 is 1, 1 1 is 1. And carry है, carry is, now this is 1 is 1. This is our OR gate. Now so output is high if any one of the inputs is high and low when all the inputs are low. That means जब दोनों का low voltage है तो output is 0. Otherwise anyone में high voltage है तो it is high voltage, that means it becomes 1. This meaning is that A and B are inputs in the truth table, Y is the output. Result is Y equal to A plus B. OR operation is similar to addition operation. So if this is your OR gate, these are the inputs, these are the results. तो OR gate का result ऐसा होता है depending on the inputs. Okay. What is the next gate? These are NOT gate. NOT gate is nothing but inverse. Inverse जिसको बोलते हैं ना, उल्टा होता है. It is one input and one output. This is the symbol of NOT gate. NOT gate is also known as inverter. Output is opposite to the of the input. Logic equation is y equal to a bar. a complement और a bar ऐसे लिखा जाता है. इस आउटपुट को, ये एक इनपुट एक आउटपुट है, बट इसका it becomes the bar of the original one, that is one is complement. These are like that. It is represented by two symbols. This is one symbol, this is another symbol. Okay. So this is our NOT gate. So this is inverse or complement of A. Here two symbols are there. You see, these are a bubble. Sometimes bubble is an output, sometimes bubble is input. So these are NOT gate. So these three gates, that means AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. These are the basic logic gates. From these basic three gates, we will be designing multiple gates, but these are the basic elements. Okay, these three gates are basic elementary gates. Now the next gate, this is called NAND gate. What is NAND gate? NAND gate is nothing but AND gate with a NOT gate. That means this is the AND gate, or D symbol is the AND gate symbol. A B input, तो output is A dot B. उसके बाद उसमें NOT gate लगाया गया. So it has become A dot B bar complement. Okay. So this is a NOT and AND gate. This is a symbol. So this can be written like this also. A B D, then this is symbol, bubble symbol, inversion symbol, y equal to A dot B. Okay. Output is low when all inputs are high, and output is high when any input is high. You see, इसका जो truth table है, truth table you see 0 0, you know that AND gate is nothing but multiplication, that is 0. उसको inverse, this is 1. 0 1 means 0, उसका inverse 1. 1 0 is 0 again, उसका complement is 1. 1 1 का क्या है? 1 into 1, उसका inverse 0. Okay, so this is the NAND gate. NAND gate में क्या है? Outputs are low when all inputs are high. All inputs are high, then output are low. Otherwise, it is some high output. This is the NAND gate. It is NAND operation followed by NOT, AND operation followed by NOT. Is logic equation is y equal to A dot B, then so bar. It is represented by two symbols. ऐसा भी लिखा जाता है, ऐसा भी लिखा जाता है. इसका मतलब this symbol means you have to understand this is a NAND gate, AND gate and NOT gate. Okay, this is a NAND gate. Let's see next. This is the NOR gate. It's as good as NAND gate जैसे था ना, AND gate and NOT था. यहाँ पे क्या है? यहाँ पे है OR gate and NOT. OR gate है यहाँ पे एक, ये दोनों का जो OR gate था A plus B, उसके ऊपर NOT लगा दिया, इन्वर्शन कर दिया. सो y equal to A plus B bar, A plus B का complement. इसे ऐसे लिखा जाता है, OR gate then bubble, y equal to A plus B then bar, A plus B का complement. इसका ट्रूथ टेबल का देखा जाए क्या होता है. आपको मालूम है, दिस इज 0 plus 0 is 0, बट इज कंप्लीमेंट ले लिया तो 1 हो गया. 0 plus 1 means 1, so complement 0. 1 plus 0 is 1, so complement 0. 1 plus 1 is 1, so complement 0. So this is NOR gate. Output is high only when all inputs are low. बहुत जब input low है तब इसका high value है. It is OR operation followed by NOT. The logic equation is this. It is represented by 2 symbols. Is it clear? So what we studied till now, these are AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate and NOR gate. ओके तो बेसिकली तीन गेट था, उसको ऊपर हमने अभी 5 बना दिया, टोटल अभी 5 हो गया. जैसे नेक्स्ट क्या होता है. हाँ, दिस इज द यूनिवर्सल बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक. इसमें व्हाट इट सेज, ये आपका जो NAND गेट एंड NOR गेट है, दे आर द यूनिवर्सल बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक. मानी NAND गेट एंड NOR गेट से हम कोई भी गेट बना सकता, कोई भी सर्किट बना सकता. कोई भी सर्किट मतलब एंड नॉट एंड और यू कैन डिजाइन. कैसे? यू सी, सपोज दिस इज योर ए इज द इनपुट, दोनों ए ले लिया. एंड में तो 2 इनपुट लगता है ना, ए एंड बी. इन आवर केस दिस बोथ आर ए, सो आउटपुट इज मल्टीप्लिकेशन ए ओनली. देन उसको इन्वर्स करके ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट बना लिया. सो ए इनपुट था, ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट हो गया. दैट मीन्स दिस इज वर्किंग एज ए नॉट गेट. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी दिस वन. दिस इज ए NAND गेट. ए बी आर द इनपुट. सो NAND गेट का जो आउटपुट होता है दैट इज ए इंटू बी. बिकॉज ये बबल है, इसको ए डॉट बी बार हो गया. दिस 2 इनपुट विल गिव टू नेक्स्ट NAND गेट को. तो क्या रहेगा यहाँ पे ए डॉट बी बार, यहाँ पे भी ए डॉट बी बार. दोनों का दिस एंड ऑपरेशन किया तो नथिंग बट मल्टीप्लिकेशन विल बिकम ए डॉट बी बार एंड ए डॉट बी बार मिला के, दोनों मिला के ए डॉट बी बार ही होगा, सिंगल ए डॉट बी बार होगा ना. उसको कॉम्प्लीमेंट किया, उसको इन्वर्स किया, उसको कॉम्प्लीमेंट किया. सो बार बार निकल गया. नाउ इट विल बी ओनली ए डॉट बी. सो यू कैन सी बाय यूजिंग NAND गेट, 2 NAND गेट, वी गॉट AND गेट का रिजल्ट मिल गया. यूजिंग 2 NAND गेट वी गेट द रिजल्ट ऑफ AND गेट. यहाँ पे एक NAND गेट देके हमने नॉट गेट का रिजल्ट मिल गया, यहाँ पे AND गेट का रिजल्ट मिल गया. लेट अस सी हाउ वी विल गेट अ OR गेट रिजल्ट. यहाँ पे कैसे किया हमने, फर्स्ट NAND गेट को हमने ए इनपुट दे दिया. 2 इनपुट है एक्चुअली, ए इंटू ए ओनली. सो उसको बिकॉज AND गेट गिव्स यू द कॉम्प्लीमेंट, तो इट इज गिवन ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट. सिमिलरली बी हैज गिवन बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट. ये दोनों इनपुट लेके हम फिर तीसरे NAND गेट को दे दिया. सो ए बार बी बार, उसका रिजल्ट क्या आएगा, ए बार डॉट बी बार. उसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट आएगा बिकॉज दिस इज बबल. सो y इक्वल टू ए डॉट बार बी डॉट बार कॉम्प्लीमेंट. दिस इज नथिंग बट De Morgan theorem. You know De Morgan theorem. This is nothing but A complement complement bar, B complement complement bar. And A complement complement means A only, B complement complement means B only. So if you use this 3 NAND gate, we are getting OR gate output. तो हमको तीनों मिल गया, NOT गेट का आउटपुट मिल गया, AND गेट का आउटपुट मिल गया, OR गेट का आउटपुट मिल गया. दैट इज इट इज कॉल्ड यूनिवर्सल बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक. NAND गेट से हम कुछ भी कर सकता. सेम फैशन this is your NOR gate. In NOR gate also by same way, you see यहाँ पे दो A ले लिया, उसको complement मिल गया. If A is the input, A plus A is A, उसका complement is because its bubble is there, so A bar. Now if you see A and B, we take output is what? A plus B is the output, but where bubble is there, तो bar is there. So A plus B bar, यहाँ पे भी A plus B bar, दोनों मिला के क्या निकलेगा? A plus B bar ही रहेगा, but because of bubble, A plus B bar उसको ऊपर bar. Now by De Morgan's theorem, this is nothing but A plus B. So by NOR gate also हमने NOT gate का रिजल्ट मिला and this OR gate का रिजल्ट मिला. Let's see AND gate का रिजल्ट कैसे मिलता है. यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया, A1 B2 दे दिया, इनपुट दे दिया, तो इसको A बार आ गया, B बार आ गया, इसको हमने अगेन NOR gate को दे दिया. तो A बार B बार इधर से A प्लस B A बार प्लस B बार उसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट बबल है, कॉम्प्लीमेंट इज नथिंग बट A बार बार and B double bar, so it is nothing but A and B, A dot B. So you can see by NAND gate and by NOR gate we can derive the output of NOT or AND, तीनों का रिजल्ट मिलता है, इसलिए इसको बोलता है यूनिवर्सल बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक. What is the next? क्या? What is the next? अच्छा, this is a XOR, very important gate. It will be used in many places. You see what is happening here. This is a gate is prepared by using NOT gate and AND gate and your OR gate. तीनों गेट मैंने यूज किया. कैसे किया? The output is high only when this is a truth table. Let's say truth table 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay. Now इसका रिजल्ट ऐसे कैसे रिजल्ट हुआ? You see how result has come this much. It is called exclusive OR operation. Exclusive OR gate. इसको टोटल सर्किट को हमने ऐसा सिंबॉलिकली लिखा जाता है. OR गेट बाद में आर्क देन इज आउटपुट y. दिस इज कॉल्ड एक्सक्लूसिव OR. द लॉजिक इक्वेशन इज दिस, और इसको y XOR b बोला जाता है. XOR सिंबल इसको बोलता है. दिस इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय टू सिंबल्स, दिस टू सिंबल्स, बट ऐसा तो पूरा लिखा नहीं जाता है. मोस्टली इन फ्यूचर होने वाली डिजाइन सर्किट विल यूज दिस सिंबल ओनली. नाउ what is happening here? See, A input is given to here, A input is given to here also. B input is given to here, this AND gate. B input is given to this NOT gate. So जब यहाँ पे जाए NOT के A inverse हो गया, फिर यहाँ से B आया, so because this is a AND gate, so this is A bar B. Similarly, यहाँ पे तो A आ गया, यहाँ पे B inverse B complement आ गया, so A B complement. इसको दोनों को OR गेट में देके उसको ऐड किया गया. सो दैट इज द इक्वेशन इज दिस. तो ये रिजल्ट आपको कैसे आया? बिकॉज A बार मीन्स 1 into 0, that is 0. Then 0 into 1, that is again 0. Total add is 0. But here you see, when A equal to 0 and B equal to 1, A equal to 0 means this is 0 into 1, that is 0. No, sorry, this is A bar. A bar means this is 1. So 1 into 1, that is this is 1, and A into B bar, that is 0 into 0, that is 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. So same way, this also is 1 and last one is 0 because A complement is 0. B equal to 1, so 0 into 1 is 0, and यहाँ पे A equal to 1, B complement is 1 के कॉम्प्लीमेंट 0 हो जाएगा, 1 into 0 that is 0, 0 plus 0 that is 0. So this is the truth table. This is the truth table of XOR. XOR का सर्किट ऐसे है, इसमें हमने 2 AND गेट यूज किया, 2 NOT गेट यूज किया एंड 1 OR गेट यूज किया. Symbolically it is written like this. Okay, so these are the basic symbol, logic gate symbol. Okay, let's see the next. What is the next? Yeah, this is a half adder. Half adder I think we'll take a stop and we'll go for the next class and see what is this half adder means. Okay, we'll take a pause here.